Welcome back, children, to your new session of social science. And in the previous class, we have studied about the states of India as well as their capitals. Okay, so here we are going to start with union territories as well as their capitals. Now, India has 9 union territories. What is a union territory? First of all, children, union territory is a place that is directly ordered, commanded, as well as that follows the rules and regulations of the central government. Okay, it is somewhere not the part of India or its states, but it is connected to our government, and all the actions as well as the rules and regulations of this place are regulated by the central government. Okay, so India has 9 union territories. Delhi, the national capital territory, is also a union territory. So we have already done this earlier in GK that Delhi is also one of the union territory. Let us learn about the 9 union territories as well as their capital. So here again, children, as we did in the state part, we will write learn over here. So union territories and capitals. Andaman and Nicobar Island, Port Blair. Chandigarh, this we have already discussed. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Silvassa. Daman and Diu, Daman. Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar. For half a year it's Srinagar, for another half year it's Jammu. Okay, so this was not earlier as a union territory, this was a state, but now it has changed to union territory. Then Ladakh, Leh, then Lakshadweep Island, Kavarati, Puducherry, also known as Pondicherry. Then National Capital Territory of Delhi, Delhi. Okay, so Delhi is the capital of itself as well as for the entire country. Now, here is some funny trick to remember all the union territories. What is it? Cherry for Puducherry, Daman for Daman and Diu, Laksh for Lakshadweep Island, Chand for Chandigarh, and Nico, Chand and Nico means Chandigarh, Andaman and Nicobar Island went to visit Delhi, National Capital Territory of Delhi, and Ladakh with their dad. Dad is Dadra and Nagar Haveli. What's the name of the dad? James, Jammu and Kashmir. So this is a funny trick to remember. If you want to remember the union territories with this, you can. Otherwise, you have to just learn them as well as their capitals. Cherry, Daman, Laksh, Chand and Nico went to Delhi and Ladakh with their dad James. Okay. Now we come to page number 78. Here you have been shown different union territories, the 9 union territories. So once we will have a look at this. Ladakh, here it's Ladakh, and what is the capital of Ladakh? Leh. Then Jammu and Kashmir, which has either Jammu or Srinagar as its capital. Then Chandigarh, which is the capital of itself. Here is a minor block given which has Delhi, the national capital territory of India, Delhi as its capital. Then Daman and Diu, they lie in the Arabian Sea, okay, at the bottom of Gujarat state. So Diu is here and Daman is here. Then very close to it is Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Then in the Arabian Sea on the southern part of India is the Lakshadweep Island. It is very, very small, and Lakshadweep Island is the smallest union territory of India. Then Puducherry, also known Pondicherry, has Pondicherry as its capital, and here lies Andaman and Nicobar Island, which has Port Blair as its capital. So what are the different union territories? Starting from Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Chandigarh, Delhi, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Puducherry, Lakshadweep Island as well as Andaman and Nicobar Island. So 1 etc. is given over here. Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory of India. So you can be asked in exam which is the smallest union territory. So you will be replying Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory. Then what have we learned about the capital of India? What have we learned about New Delhi? We have learned that it is known as the National Capital Territory of India because it is one of the Union Territory and is also the capital city of India. Hence, it has the status of National Capital Territory. The capital of India was shifted from Kolkata to New Delhi in 1911. So earlier, Kolkata was the capital, which was known as Calcutta before, was the capital of entire country India. But in 1911, it was shifted to New Delhi and New Delhi became the new capital of India. Okay, so this is a small map given which tells you that where does Delhi lie? It lies in the central part of India and it is the national capital of India. So in this way we will complete our chapter that was India as well as its states. Now in the next session we will begin with a very new and fresh chapter. Till then, bye bye and have a good day.